Very good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's a beautiful day out this morning, and what's today? Happy Tuesday. Yes, God is good. We're back out doing what we love, and I'm out in Somerset, and I'll be doing another dry vent cleaning today. I have one more tomorrow also, so I'm on a roll with these dry vent. God is good, which is very good, and I'm happy to see that people are listening to what I'm saying and following me about having a dry vent clean. So I'm outside right now, and I'm just gonna flip the camera around so you guys can see the airflow that's coming from this dry vent. Okay guys, so here we go. So we're up at 14, around 1470. It's pretty good. Let's see if we can get it over 15. That would be even better. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start from outside with the drill brush, and I made my own lint catcher. I have this on a piece of PVC pipe with a 4-inch head, so it can fit into the duct that's leading from inside out. And I put one of these paint filter bag to the end with a clamp. So when I start the cleaning, everything will just be caught inside of the filter. Okay guys, that's inside the dock in the basement. As you can see, we have some lint inside. I have the rod up inside with the brush head. I'm gonna clean this out, and I need my 2 hands to do this, guys. I'm sorry, but I'll be back to show you when it's finished how clean it is. Okay guys, so I had to disconnect this from the elbow, and they had screws inside, which they shall not be doing. They should just be using the tape just to tape around the elbows. Any joining supposed to be using tape. And if you guys can see that properly, that's the lint that's inside. So I'm gonna take that out, and this just run back here. It's about maybe 3 or 4 feet, maybe 3 feet, and the dryer is right up here. So I'm going to clean from that end and up, and then extract. So that's what's at this end here. Okay guys, so these screws, I have like 3 screws there that should not be there. You should have been using the duct tape, not duct tape but aluminum tape. I'll show you that in a while. But if you look, hold on, maybe you cannot see, but you can see the ends of the screw coming through the ductwork, and that will hinder the lint from traveling. What that does, every time the lint comes in and it passes through there, it's gonna hook up on those 3 screw that is penetrating through the duct. And so right here, it can build up over time, and it can become clogged because of those 3 screws that's penetrating. So I'm going to take those out and use the proper stuff that's supposed to go there to hold the ductwork together. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. This is meant for ductwork and it's rated for heat. So I will, when I put this back together at the elbow here, instead of using the screw, I'm going to use this aluminum duct file to bind everything together instead of the screw. Okay guys, so I just finished with this duct in the basement for the dryer. So I put the aluminum tape that is recommended for these duct, no screws when you drain in. Also I put some here, there was 3 screws here, and then at this end there was nothing here, so they just had this pushed in, but it was bent and it was opening, so they were losing airflow at this point. So everything should be good now. I'm just gonna go back upstairs, turn back on the dryer and do one more test run, and then I have to put a new exit, what you call it, the windows outside, the flaps, to protect them, to protect the transition duct from being entered by, you know, critters, animal, bugs, you know, anything like that that could come inside. So let me just finish up this and I'll show you the end product. Okay guys, so I'm finished with this dryer vent. There was a couple clogs in the basement, so I had to detach the ductwork because what they use was screws, and screws are not allowed in the ductwork. It can trap the lint and it can have a blockage. So the length is about, it's a longer length than the other 2 I did yesterday. It's about maybe 8 and 9 feet long. Yeah, so it's inching up to 1600. That's what we're looking for. So, and you can see inside the duct is clean. So I'm just gonna get the cover to replace here because this one is old. That would be it for this. Okay, so I just went inside, did some cleaning. Actually, you can see a big difference. 70. Good, and I have lint in this also. See all of that, and I have some in my vacuum that I normally bring, my small shop vac. So all of this combined, we did take a good bit of lint out of this dryer vent, and this is one house less to have any problem with the dryer cause fire. So see you guys on the day. So this is the new cover, the vent cover for outside. Yep. And I'm just putting some silicone around it. So
you want me to turn it on again?
Yes, please. So when it's running, the customer just went in to turn it on for me so you guys can have an idea. This is what it should look like when it's running, and you know your dryer is working properly. The little windows open, and so once a year it's good to have them clean. But look at that when he turned it shut on. See that? Yes, that's how those windows supposed to be. Once your vent is not black, it's supposed to be opening like that. So guys, I'll see you guys on the next one.